Should you still be wearing Yeezys? What's up, guys? BJ Kicks here. Welcome back to my channel, Kicks on Kicks, where I review sneakers. Subscribe if you're into that. Now, today I was supposed to be doing just a straight up review of the Yeezy 700 in the wash orange colorway. If you guys know, I've been trying to get my hands on a pair of wave runners for a little while. But this is just a much more affordable option with a lot of the same colors on it. A resale on these is not crazy. But I got this pair of shoes in, and like just the day after these came in the mail, Kanye kind of went wild, and then Yeezy actually, or Adidas, terminated their relationship with the Yeezy brand. And now suddenly I have to ask the question, like, should we be wearing Yeezys? And I think it's interesting, right? Because, I mean, anything that you buy, right, it's kind of like an endorsement of that thing, right? Like right now, I've got a New York Mets hat on. And so if someone were to ask me like, yo, are you a New York Mets fan? It'd be kind of weird for me to be like, of course not. Why would you think I'm a New York Mets fan? Right? So kind of in the same vein, you got Yeezys. And if you throw on a pair of Yeezys, is that an endorsement of everything Kanye's ever said or thought? Or like, are you co-signing his harassment of certain people groups? I don't know, man. It's weird. It's weird. So let's talk about this shoe since we have it in hand. And I got to give a huge shout out to the seller that sent it over. Thank you guys for being great to work with and donating this pair for content to the channel. Now, the Yeezy 700 in the washed orange colorway, you guys saw my review of the high-res blues, and this is pretty much the same shoe, just with a different colorway. So you've got on your outsole, again, standard kind of chocolate brown herringbone traction with a few peaks, like a few holes where you can see that boost peeking through. And under that, you've got the hits of washed orange, or orange wash, I believe is what it's called actually. And then you move up to your midsole, got that nice, again, orange wash midsole. And it's basically all orange. You got a couple hits of like a darker / brighter orange here somehow. And then you got more of that. It's honestly, this is more black. There's like a chocolate brown on the outsole, but this is more black right up here. And then that moves you up into your uppers, which is a really soft blend of suedes, mesh, and tumbled leather. And it's a really, really dope shoe. I think my favorite feature of this is the top-down view, where you got those hits. You got the hit of blue, some green, like greenish teal, and then black suede overlays. I mean, all in all, this is a dope shoe. It's suede. You got 3M. It's gray. This shoe just screams fall. This actually came out in 2021, just in time for the fall season then. And I think it's still a really good autumn shoe. For those of us who love comfort, the Yeezy Boost 700s are super comfortable. The 350s lack a little bit of structure, but they're really comfy. This is a better, in my opinion, all day walk around shoe. It's got just that bit of support that you need. It's a dope shoe. But now that I've got it in hand, I'm like kind of conflicted. Like, should we be wearing Yeezys? Like, what does this say about me if I decide to throw these on my feet? There was a time where Kanye was just kind of considered to be the cutting edge of cool, right? Like, remember when Kanye was wearing kilts during the Watch the Throne tour, and everybody's like, yo, I'm not rocking with the skirt. But somehow he made it work. And then Kanye was wearing leather pants. Kanye was the first one wearing like retro Jordan 6s when no one else was wearing the 6s. Like, Kanye's always done things way out there before anyone's had a chance to catch up. And I feel like the Adidas Yeezy partnership is like the poster child of that. The dad shoe wave taken to another level. Even the Boost, right? The 350. This is like an alien looking shoe but it's a dope shoe, right? Like, it's just this nice balance between cutting edge style and comfort. And, you know, it's weird to like eulogize the Yeezy brand because I don't think we're getting consumer facing Yeezys anytime soon. And I mean, even if we do, I have a feeling the market's going to reject them. So, I mean, again, this is a really dope shoe. I love it. I loved it when I ordered it. I loved it when it came in the mail. And I'd be lying if I said I still didn't love it now. But I'm like, dang, do I get to wear it? Should I wear it? Am I hurting someone's feelings by wearing it? Probably not. Chances are the average person does not know what these are when they see them on my feet. You guys do because you're into sneakers and this is a sneaker YouTube channel. But when I go to the grocery store or walk around the airport or wherever, people aren't like, ooh, those are Yeezys. At least not the general public, but sneakerheads know. And I don't know. I guess to sneakerheads, these are still just a dope shoe. Now, again, I got to point out the quality on these just because I did get these from a third-party seller. And I got to show love, right? These look really good. Like I said, these, if you don't know what I do, these are a replica. And it's really hard to tell the difference. Let's take a look at the packaging real quick. So, you know, the Adidas Yeezys came in straight up regular cardboard looking boxes. Yeezy Boost 700 made by Adidas. And these are just washed orange, right? I got mine in a size 9 because I wear a size 9. And my intention was to wear these. Nowadays, I mean, if you want a pair of these, you're kind of stuck. You're either going to find these on the underground or the replica market, or you're going to pay resale for them. But either way, the number of these is kind of officially limited now. And that's unfortunate because these were a really, really dope shoe. And so this is a weird video. It's a very weird video, but I feel like I couldn't do a review of this shoe without addressing the controversy associated with them. And it's complicated. I'm going to go ahead and throw these on feet so you can see what they look like. And if you decide to grab a pair, just look in the description down below for all the information. And I'll see you in another one soon.